Yeah. Dumelang. I'm back again, guys. Ke nna Sitty bafethu mokwena mhlakwana phula matsema mailang wa thela sa jeseng wa thana sa mabana jang polokwane tshesang ya jang out ya meriti bafethu time sesane di otlwana wa nna. I'm back again with another video. Re hlong lena na jole he bana beso re go betsa di reaction re reactor. So today ke tlo betsa reaction ke reactor video e ya butwa gona mona a tshesang haholo banna ke bua ka yena ntate Sekone Pampiri ke yena Sekone Pampiri bafethu ba re ke ntate Maphepha ya bana beso ke re ke qale
Come batala mabala phafoga mapai Tupi phasa na hlaba mjitsani Nteba botsa na bo hatuka na haso hlai I never walk alone fitwa ba night ame Hola hele fubedu daga ba thotengele This that shit that you've been asking for I killing you Ke motho fatu mshana sa
ntate o bone mona ga ke motho wa di fat and fat ha hlahla le mo ntate o tla le team wa tseba ne velo ga how the one is not easy go ka pusha but with team you can win right. I think in one refer team but some people will say ke beef or maybe una mthala mo beef or something but it's not a beef. I think ke the way I mean ang ka teng wa understand that one is ha re tswele pele
The rappers easy, man, the whole game, I'm getting love from Katwa, who are the Siggy. The boy tat, I'm a tula horse, a horse, Siggy. The boy tat, I'm a tula horse, a horse, Siggy. The bumpy, the monkey, Chinese, Jordan Street. I hit you, these are hit you. These are hit you. You don't gotta wait, diamond size on the way now. I hit you. These are hit you. I hit them. These are hit them. I hit them. These are hit them. You don't gotta wait. The Messiah's on the way now. I hit them. But now these are hit them now. Get that is not Johnny.
ngwaneso ha re bue ka chorus fela nna the way ke bonang chorus ngo tswe ka teng the way flowang ka teng you can feel it or no man it's like a turn up song one tall ke hip hop but the way ntate style sa shapileng ka sona ngwaneso ke o jwetsa le wena o ikutlwela hore chorus ena na go o ya le yona ka hlogo ditseleng di sa ditseleng it's like ke lebitso la hae la kwana thabeng o utlwa mone o eme ka thata banna wa le mo utlwa go banna ba khala ka eng ka phantsi ke bantho eno o ga yena ha ba fuke
Son, I get out of la souris. Soon as I step in the boozy, Colony Yakisa booty. School get tenga get go, the Yamaka Hitakas Nabaka Fossi. Scondigas Tawala so, Libanaba Matava to my Honchi. Yabba quick fast, well, I spit boss.
When I know Gabadiela when I speed pass. O utlwa le na ya ga Joey o re ba ja dust ha ba za ba keep up
Certified grade, I'm not even the game yet. Sass on the paper, no, you know the name, fam. I see the comments, don't compare me with this other dude. It's like comparing a brother's future to finger food.
ha re thola re sheba style sa video the way video is doing ka teng and the way that directed ka teng and shout out to Jack Bohloko cause like wa hlella le yena obviously ka the calculations shout out and Lisa tseleng cause ke keno first verse ka lokisanyana di banyana tse pedi tse tharo ka khutla re kena ho second verse o understand so no it's about a last verse but ona le di line tse loreng o di theoile but I think everything is clear just that fella Now I think ngwana bo rona nou tje o deserve nkare kore recognition e nngwe le e nngwe e possible fela le horeng ke cause like he's hot and the EP is hot. Like ha ne ke re tla kgutlela yona, I was talking about Masasa, guys. So I just hope you enjoyed the video cause like I was just reacting on a video today. Yeah, thank you very much for watching up to so far. Thank you. Straight up, guys. Danko.